You're drinking tea, enjoying a dessert, or maybe baking something sweet at home. And suddenly you wonder, wait, is sugar halal? Let's find out. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Sugar is one of the most common ingredients we use daily. It's in our drinks, our food, and almost everything sweet. But for Muslims who care about what goes into their body, the question is valid. Is sugar halal? The short answer is, yes, sugar is generally halal. But there are a few things you should know. Sugar usually comes from sugarcane or sugar beets, and the refining process involves boiling, filtering, and crystallizing. Most of this is done using plant-based or mineral-based materials, which are completely halal. But here's where some doubts come in. In rare cases, during the refining process, some manufacturers have historically used bone char, a black powder made from burnt animal bones, as a filtering agent to whiten sugar. If the bones come from animals not slaughtered according to Islamic rules, that could raise concerns. However, most modern sugar production, especially in countries like the USA, UK, and others, no longer uses bone char and instead uses alternatives like activated carbon or ion exchange systems. In fact, many major sugar brands are already halal certified or bone char free. So what's the verdict? Yes, sugar is halal, especially when it comes from a trusted brand. It's halal certified or labeled bone char free. Or it's organic or raw sugar, which doesn't use animal-based processing. If you're unsure, you can always contact the manufacturer or look for halal certification on the packaging. Now it's your turn. Did you know about bone char being used in sugar refining? Do you check labels or just assume sugar is always safe? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's help the community make better choices together. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Halal Talk Show, and share it with your friends and family who care about what goes into their food. Until next time, stay sweet, stay informed, and always ask before you eat. This is Halal Talk Show, your trusted guide to halal living in a modern world.